7 shocking ways online business crushes offline hassles. Let's go ahead and get started here. My name is Charles Driven from infospike.com, and let's talk about escaping the grind with online business. So, if you're tired of the daily grind, discover how online businesses offer a simpler path to financial freedom. Learn how to build wealth without the headaches of traditional brick and mortar businesses. This presentation will show you how to do it. Online businesses offer significant advantages over traditional businesses. You can reach more customers and scale your success faster. Plus, you can work from anywhere and create passive income streams. Reach millions, the power of online scaling. Just imagine that. Imagine reaching millions of people around the world without increasing your costs. That's what online business is all about. This is extremely possible. Your website and social media platforms can be seen by anyone, anywhere, expanding your reach and potential for financial growth. Also, say goodbye to inventory. With digital products, you don't have to deal with storage costs and inventory headaches. They are just created once and they are sold infinitely. This eliminates the need for physical storage, shipping, and handling, allowing you to focus on creating lasting value. You could also take advantage of automation. It's like your 24/7 sales team. With automation, you could, of course, automate your sales processes and generate income while you sleep. You could use email sequences, sales pages, and payment processing, and all that can be run in the background automatically. This frees up your time to focus on your other aspects of your business and cultivate financial growth. You can also test and optimize, and this can help you build a very efficient business. And this can allow you to check out new marketing strategies online very fast and in an affordable way. I should say, relatively affordable way, and provides valuable data. You can quickly see what works and what doesn't, allowing you to maximize returns and strengthen your portfolio. This helps you refine your approach and boost your income. You also get to work from just about anywhere in the world. I'm just laughing because of this picture here. Work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. This flexibility allows you to design a lifestyle that suits you while still building wealth. This freedom is a key benefit of running an online business. And you might be wondering how to do all this. And also, there are low startup costs, and this will help you minimize your risk. It really requires just a handful of money just to get started. When I first started, I actually just purchased a web hosting account, and I would say that was like probably less than $5 a month. So it requires less capital than traditional ventures. This lowers the barrier to entry, makes it easier to test your ideas and establish revenue streams without significant financial risk. You can start small and scale your success as you grow. And that's a key thing. You can start as small as you want. There are even free platforms out there, and you can grow when you want to. That's totally up to you. And one of the cool things here is that I've been doing this for a long time, well over a decade, just using content. And the whole thing here is to use valuable content that continues to work for you long after it's published. This compounding effect helps you establish cash flow and multiply your assets over time. A single piece of content can generate income for years to come. And I also want to talk about YouTube videos. You might see people that have created a huge audience, huge following, and they have tens of thousands of subscribers, even way more than that. And what happens is that their content was published a long time ago, and then over time, they keep on adding more content. And this has a compounding effect. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, your online business offers a path to financial freedom and the ability to build wealth on your own terms. You could start your journey today and discover how the power of online entrepreneurship can change your life. And if you are very curious how to do this, I will provide you with a free PDF. Just go ahead and check out the link in my description. If you're watching this from an article, a blog post, I'll provide you with a link there as well. My name is Charles Draven, and thanks for watching my video.